here at the Nest Cafe. It's just on the Galloping Goose, and it's about a 10-minute bike ride, 12-minute bike ride from our place. And we accessed it via the Phelps connector in our neighborhood. And yeah. What'd you get?
Chai latte.
I mean,
Yeah.
is it good?
Kind of got the full bits only.
Decent.
I need to get these chairs. These are nice.
Yeah. So we made it to Prospect Lake Connector, and we're gonna be looking for Munn Road to cross over to our next connector and make our way back to Thetis Lake. It's beautiful out here. I'm waiting on you. Not a soul in sight.
Right on our.
So we are now on the Panhandle Trail. It's a connector that'll take us eventually back to Thetis, where we live. Ooh. What do you think?
I need to focus. This is some really steep stuff.
Yo, you gotta grind that out.
Oh, I took the hard path. I didn't see the line you chose.
Oh yeah. You're an expert climber now?
No. I think next time we should ride the Munn Road and take this.
Oh, that we gotta go up that then?
I don't know where Continental Trail goes.
No, we gotta definitely go up this way. You got this. Okay, let's grind it. Grind it out.
I wouldn't ride up that.
So we've made our way back onto Trillium Trail and headed back towards Thetis Lake. Obviously, we're here at Thetis Lake, and it's just about a kilometer or two away from our house, and so enjoy. You have fun? What did you rate that ride on a scale of 1 to 10?
Funness or hardness?
Anything.
I give it like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, that's pretty good. It's not super technical, but those climbs were...
Which is why I liked it. But just a few, but it was enough that it's like, okay, that's enough and then good.
Yep, that's true.
So, yeah.
It got a little crowded towards the end.
Yeah, I don't like riding the neatest bits, but I mean, what can you do, right?
Yeah.
I guess we could always take a different route.
Yeah, we could. I was just saying to Tiff earlier that the thing we like about living here is that it's not like we're that far away from civilization, but we can get out into the wilderness and be the only ones out there and get some peace and quiet. So glad you could come along with us, and see you on the next one.